Hello and welcome to the unboxing video of the OPN 6000, Opticon's most versatile Bluetooth companion scanner to date. In this video I will show you the contents of the box, how to get started using your OPN 6000 and the applications available to get the most out of your new OPN 6000 scanner. When you order the OPN 6000 you receive this box, and if we open it up we immediately see the OPN 6000 itself. So let's take it out of the box. If we remove the inlay, you will see the USB-C cable with the USB port on one end for the scanner and the USB-A on the other end for your computer or laptop. A neck strap to ensure that you don't accidentally drop your OPN 6000. And then there are two leaflets. First is the quick start guide with a couple of barcodes that you can use for testing and a couple of configuration barcodes, and I will tell you more about those in a second. And finally, the safety and regulatory information. Now let's take a look at the OPN 6000 itself. When you receive it, there is already a bit of charge in your battery and you can start scanning right away. But you can also plug in the USB-C cable, start charging it, or you can place it on a wireless charging pad. Now let's take a close look at the key features of the device. Let's start with the top of the unit. There is the Opticon scan engine. It is a 2D CMOS sensor with support for 1D and 2D barcodes, and it can capture images with a speed of up to 100 frames per second. It has improved support for wide, curved, poorly printed and damaged barcodes. And then here on the top side we have two buttons. The large blue button is the trigger key for scanning barcodes. The smaller black key is the function key, which has a variety of configurable features like connecting and disconnecting with Bluetooth, deleting barcodes and toggling an on-screen keyboard. Around the trigger key there is a full color LED which provides useful feedback during the operation of the device. At the bottom of the unit there is the USB-C charging and data port, and underneath the unit is this pad for the wireless charging. If you place this on a wireless charger it will start charging the unit, and between those two are two small divots for the neck strap. You can remove the top section by pinching it on the sides and pulling it apart, and to attach it to the 6000 simply put one end of the cable through the two divots, loop it around, and it's done. Simply attach it to the lanyard, and now you can easily wear the OPN 6000 and you don't have to worry about accidentally dropping it. To charge the OPN 6000 wirelessly, make sure that you place this charging coil on a wireless charging pad, and the red LED turns on showing that the unit is currently charging, and when it is fully charged it turns green. Now that we've looked at the key features on the outside of the device, there are also a couple of features on the inside. Besides the LED to provide feedback to the user, there are also a buzzer and a vibrator. The buzzer is to provide audible feedback when reading barcodes, but also for feedback on the Bluetooth connection status. The vibrator provides haptic feedback, which is great for working in noisy environments or when silence is appreciated. The settings for the buzzer, the vibrator and the LED on the scan button can all be modified to your wishes. Another improved feature is the large 500 mAh lithium battery. This battery, in combination with the extremely low power hardware and Bluetooth Low Energy, makes it possible to stay connected with Bluetooth for days and scan thousands of barcodes on a single charge. Should you lose a connection, it also comes with 1 MB of onboard flash storage, non-volatile, so if you even lose power then it will still be stored on the internal memory. And once you connect the OPN 6000 to a device again, all of the stored barcodes can be read at that point. Inside the OPN 6000 there's also a small real-time clock. This feature makes it possible to keep track of when each barcode has been scanned, no matter if there's an active Bluetooth connection. The time can be automatically synchronized using AppLoad, OptiConnect and the OPN companion application. Probably the most important feature of the OPN 6000 is its Bluetooth Low Energy support. With Bluetooth Low Energy, you can use it as a Bluetooth serial device, as a Bluetooth keyboard, or you can connect it to our new OptiConnect app. OptiConnect is a very versatile application that allows you to validate your barcodes, retrieve and export your scan data to other formats, automatically update the firmware of the device, and many more awesome features. For more information about OptiConnect, please check in the description of this video for a tutorial on the OptiConnect app. Like our other companion scanners, the OPN 6000 can also be used as a USB device. And unlike our previous OPN scanners, you do not need to load any applications on the device. All 6 USB options are available at the same time. You can simply switch between them using configuration barcodes, which you can find in the user manual and on opticonfigure.opticon.com. Let's take a quick look at all 6 options. First off, there is the OPN companion application. This has been around since the OPN 2001 and has been used by hundreds of thousands of users over the years. So if you want to replace your existing scanners with the new OPN 6000, it is fully backwards compatible with all of our OPN units. It can also switch to USB mass storage device mode, basically like a flash disk. If you connect the OPN 6000 to your laptop, computer or your Mac, it will pop up as a USB storage device and all of the scanned barcodes are available in a CSV format. You can also connect it to OptiConnect instead of Bluetooth Low Energy with a USB cable, if your device running OptiConnect has a USB port for you, of course. It also comes with 2 USB serial drivers, VCP, which has been in our OPN scanners for years and is fully backwards compatible, but if you need platform-independent USB serial drivers, it also offers USB CDC. The final USB mode is the OSECOM32 mode, or the batch application. Like with the flash disk, it stores all of your data on the drive of the device, but instead of taking a CSV file out of it, you can use the OSECOM32 application, which is available on our website. And that concludes our unboxing of the OPN 6000 and a quick look at its key features. If you need more information about the OPN 6000, please visit our website, opticon.com, or contact your local sales representative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.